engine always, engine should, your engine should always be on. It saves the gas. Your engine should always be on. Bruh, I forgot to inject it and made it go real fast. Butter my heart.
What? Oh my god.
How come whenever I start FRPing, they want to kick me for FRPing?
Oh my god, there's more cars. Oh my god.
This is about to
Oh
go
my
very horrible.
god.
This is about to go very horrible. Goes in reverse. It's competing in I'm actually just gonna make a real big U-turn. I think there's probably 25 people in this server. You hear me?
Yeah.
It probably is 25 people anyway.
Yeah.
I'm so good at doing drifts. I'm driving a leader.
Oh, someone just spawned. Someone just spawned right in front of me.
And I just flew. This pileup is so horrible. This is probably the worst pileup in Greenville.
Yeah, I'm just gonna take a screenshot of that. So I'm stuck.
Yeah, and
Help! Help!
send me that. Yeah, just send me that. Send me the screenshot that you took. Ah, I just ran into a car. Bye.
Oh,
Not the jumping all raggedy. That's literally all they do all day anyway. They need to stop kicking me, cause I'm just gonna keep rejoining this. Get up. Open spirit. Broken. Inject. Execute. Broken